Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the derivative. We can use about the power rule of the derivative. So we have like this. So this one, because we have y, so this one we got 3y squared, and first derivative of y, this one we have 2y, and first derivative of y, this one that is about number 1, and we have first derivative of y, this one that is about 2x, this one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So we put negative number 2x go to the right. Later that we can do about factorization by first derivative of y. Next, we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.